Hot. See, it's viral now. I can't do nothing but do it. Come on now, man. You know what? Let me talk about this. Y'all ready? The dab first. The dab. Who would name something dab? By my stuff, I know. Now I know. The dab is a drug. Okay? The dab is a drug. Look it up. Look it up. Look it up. I'm gonna give you a quick second record. Hold on. Y'all done? Yeah. Okay. It's a drug, bro. How y'all gonna dance to a drug? Come on now. I'm surprised no parents has found out that yet. Come on now. Next, people doing it wrong. Okay, like yesterday I went to a game. I went to a Sacramento Kings game. They had this thing called the dab cam. Instead of trying to find us up there doing the dab, they found some other folk trying to do the dab. Some Asians trying to do the dab. They was killing it too, I guess. They was, not, just stop, bruh. If you're not talented at dancing or you don't even know how to do it, just stop, bruh. The dab is not in your system, cuz Migos made this so they can make money off of it. But they not gonna look at your dab, they look at your dab, bruh. Work harder, cuz. No dab for you no more. No. Just stop it. Stop it. And I'm done. And that is it, guys. Like that up. It's like right there. I'm pretty sure it's right here or right there. It's either one. But right here, I'm pretty sure it's a subscribe button. So like, hit that right quick. Then go over here. Boom, like that up. Not hit that thumbs down, thumbs up all day. And yeah, guys, come at you with another one. And yeah, that's it. 5-3.